Hi, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the San Miguel de Allende Secrets YouTube channel. And today we're going to be talking about how to alter altars, or how to change your Day of the Dead altars to be more reflective of your particular situation. As always, in the descriptive box down below, there are links to various websites if you need more information, including Amazon.com if you're interested in purchasing any of the best-selling books in the San Miguel de Allende Secrets book series. I highly encourage you to construct your own altar for loved ones that you would enjoy inviting back, if only for the evening and way, way far away from wherever it is they're buried. In Western cultures, when a loved one dies, your friends are often sympathetic and questioning as the manner of death, so all your attention is focused on their demise rather than the totality of their lives. Since most transitions are, at best, messy, death is not a pleasant one, though the most recent spot to focus on. An altar, in addition to inviting the deceased back to visit with the lure of food and earthly delights, is a cathartic way to focus on the entirety of their lives, the beginnings, the joys, the interests, and hobbies that made them the person you love. Though it may take some minor detours from the historically Mexican purpose of each altar's level, there is no harm and great joy in personifying your efforts to your needs. For me, it was building an altar to my parents. The first level of the altar focused on their beginnings. For Mom, a central Pennsylvania mountain town known only for the stench of Haiti sulfur from the lumber mill that produced the Saturday Evening Post in its Norman Rockwell heyday. Dad, being born on a kitchen table of a 5-story walk-up in Harlem, featured photos of the then Harlem Renaissance. Next came the level for what they enjoyed. For Mom's baby-loving fascination, that was easy. Any image of Kate and John +8, taken before the divorce sufficed. My father preferred image of a drunken and disheveled Angie Dickinson during those 1970 comedy roasts. To each their own. The food level was easy peasy. Dad adored a burger, while my mom adored anything she didn't cook herself. A bottle of champagne for Mom gave her the home court advantage over my teetotaler father. Physical things they joined were also easy to place. There was a gravy bowl for my mom's favorite china set that she would be aghast and low, I learned as a pen holder in my office. Plus the Mexican doll she kept on her bed is featured on the book's cover. For Dad, I've the marbles he won as a kid in Harlem placed in his favorite candy bowl. Above it all is a statue of my father's favorite saint, for whom I was named Joseph. Of course, I included the mandatory paper flowers symbolizing the thin line between life and death, salt for purification, but the fragrant allure of locally grown marigolds were accented by yellow gladiolas, my father's favorite flower. Oh, that's him in the upper left-hand corner. He used to do comedy roasts when I was a kid in the 70s around Hershey, Pennsylvania, and he was always introduced as Sister Virginia, so he could approach the stand and say, "My name is Sister Virginia." That's Virgin for short, but not for long. My point is, you want to see a loved one's life from the get-go, represented with love and not focus on the ending. It's uplifting and immensely satisfying. Light the candles, invite them back for a visit, and I promise you will feel better and often surprised by their presence in ways you could never have anticipated. Click the subscribe button below and you'll get notifications all month long on different Day of the Dead themed videos that are coming out here on the channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende Secrets.